Hi, my name is Lauren and I'm a product specialist with Rusnak BMW. And today I'm going to show you how to use BMW Navigation. There are two ways of inputting an address on BMW Navigation. The first way by using the voice command, which is probably your easiest and quickest way of inputting an address, and the second way being manual. Using the BMW's voice command system, you want to press the microphone on the steering wheel once quickly and wait for the beep, and then tell it, "Take me to," and then say an address. Take me to 3645 Automall Drive in Thousand Oaks, California.
Perfect. Our next destination is 3645 Automall Drive, Thousand Oaks, California.
Super easy. And you want to say it in one swift motion without taking any long pauses or breaks and not having to say the zip code. That's the easiest way. We're going to go to Where To on this navigation system. Some cars say classic input or enter address manually. When I click Where To, I'm just going to type in the full address of where I want to go. Perfect. Then my address came up there when I started typing in the full street address. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please check out our Rusnak BMW channel for more how-to videos.